The excitement is real. Redtiger just sent me their F17 Elite dashcam for me to give my honest review. But there's a slight problem. I don't drive. What am I going to do? After calling around frantically, I managed to sort a ride.
Hey son, you asked for a ride?
Please welcome Mother Dearest herself and her quirky little car. Welcome to my channel, BeezWorld. For years, Mum's used a pretty standard dashcam. It recorded video, saved files, and she just assumed it would have her back if something happened. The hard truth? Mum was driving half blind, especially at night. The footage was a blurry, pixelated mess right when it mattered most. It took a close call on a badly lit road for her to realise her insurance policy was practically useless if it couldn't read a license plate in the dark. What even was the point? This is where the Redtiger F17 Elite could switch things up. It's a 3-channel dashcam that makes some seriously bold claims. A 4K front camera, a 2.5K rear camera, and a 1080p cabin camera. But the headline feature, the one that caught my eye, is its full colour night vision, powered by some cutting-edge Sony starvis 2 sensors. So is this really the night vision beast it's hyped up to be? Or is it just another gadget with big promises? We'll unbox it, get it installed, and then Mum and I are taking it on some of the darkest roads around to see what it can really do. Out of the box, you can tell Redtiger are taking this seriously. The packaging feels premium, almost like you're unboxing a new smartphone. Inside, you get the main F17 Elite dashcam. It has a solid feel to it, not too big, but it has a reassuring weight. You've got the large adjustable 4K lens up front. You've also got the crisp 3-inch touchscreen, and right next to the crisp 3-inch touchscreen is the interior cabin camera, which is also fully adjustable. That's a huge plus because you're not locked into one angle based on your windscreen. Then you have the rear camera. It's small, compact, and connects with USB-C, which is a nice modern touch. That just makes setting things up easier. And then there's the accessories. Redtiger gives you everything you need to get going. There's a long USB-C cable for the rear cam, a 12-volt power cable, and even a full hardwire kit if you want to use the 24/7 parking monitor mode. My box even came with a 128GB micro SD card pre-installed, which also has their Redtiger branding on it, so you can start recording the second it's powered on. I love that, because there's nothing worse than getting new tech and realising you need to buy something else to make it work. They also throw in an electrostatic sticker for the windshield, which is a brilliant little detail. You put this film on the glass first, then stick the dashcam's adhesive mount to the film. It makes removal totally clean and easy, so you don't have to scrape sticky residue off the glass. All in all, this feels like a complete, well thought out package. It's installation day. A 3-camera install sounds like a complete headache. I've never installed a dashcam before. Fingers crossed this goes as smoothly as I'm anticipating. First, I found the perfect spot for the main unit. The GPS unit is cleverly built right into the mount, which really helps cut down on clutter. Next, running the power cable, the kit comes with a trim tool that makes it incredibly easy to tuck the wire along the headliner and down the A-pillar to the 12-volt outlet. Hiding the wire for the front camera took less than 10 minutes, maybe 15 at a push. The rear camera was just as easy. The USB-C cable they give you is more than long enough for my mum's car. I just routed it along the headliner all the way to the back, mounted the camera at the top of the rear windscreen, plugged it in, and that was it. The fact that everything uses USB-C just makes it feel modern and simple. The entire 3-camera setup was done in about an hour. I have zero experience installing a dashcam. I actually found it pretty easy. Okay, so the camera's in. But what kind of tech are we really working with here? You're getting a triple channel setup, a 4K front camera, a 1080p interior camera, and a 2.5 rear camera. But resolution isn't everything. The real magic is in the sensors. The F17 Elite uses dual Sony starvis 2 sensors. The top of the line IMX678 for the front and the IMX675 for the rear. This is the tech that lets the cameras pull in a massive amount of light and detail, even when it's nearly pitch black outside. I actually cannot wait to see how well this camera does perform. The tech also enables dual HDR for both the front and rear cameras. What that means for you is the camera is constantly balancing the brightest and darkest parts of the picture. So when you're driving into the sun, you can actually see it working. The camera adjusts instantly without losing a single detail. And now for the main event, the night vision. The F17 Elite uses its advanced sensors to pull in vivid footage when most other dashcams switch to grainy, black and white. The cabin camera uses a Sony IMX307 starvis sensor. Not quite the starvis 2 of the front and the rear, but still fantastic for capturing what's happening inside the car, in colour, even at night. The interior cabin camera delivers. I can see having full colour in cabin being pretty good for Uber drivers. Alright, enough talk. We're getting on the road now. Let's go. We took the F17 Elite out on all kinds of conditions, and the results are pretty stunning. First up, daytime footage. As you'd expect from a 4K camera with a Sony sensor, the video is crystal clear. Road signs, license plates, distant objects, everything is incredibly sharp and easy to read. The wide-angle lens captures a huge field of view without that weird fisheye distortion, and the colours look vibrant and natural. The 2.5K rear camera is also really impressive, giving you a crisp view of what's behind you. And the 1080p cabin camera clearly gets the whole interior. Now we've got a camera that records in colour and in HD inside the car. Mum and I have realised we are quite comical.
There's an airbag.
Where? Who said?
That's an airbag.
No, it's not.
It is.
There isn't airbags on the side.
There is.
Never heard of that.
More radio
Jesus.
travel for the very latest news on roads and rail.
What the hell? Did you do that? Well, who did?
But let's get to why you're really here. The night footage. This is where the F17 Elite doesn't just do a good job, it completely changes the game. You can see the texture of the road, the individual trees, the colours of other cars. It almost looks like daytime. Now for the real test, reading a license plate at night. With Mum's old camera, forget about it. It's just a bright, washed out blur. With the F17 Elite, thanks to that powerful starvis 2 sensor and HDR, the plate is perfectly clear and legible. This right here is the difference between having evidence and having nothing. And then there's the main cabin camera. Most interior cams are infrared and give you a grainy, black and white image. The F17 Elite actually delivers on its full colour promise. Even in total darkness, you can clearly see the colours of clothes and the details of the interior. For an Uber driver, that's not a gimmick. It's a revolution in safety. If this footage is blowing your mind as much as it did mine, do me a quick favour and hit that like button. And if you want to see more honest tech reviews just like this one, make sure you subscribe. It's free for you and it makes a huge difference for my channel. Awesome hardware doesn't mean much if it's a pain to use. Luckily, Redtiger nailed the experience here. The 3-inch touchscreen is bright and responsive, and the menus are super intuitive. You can also use voice commands for key functions like show rear camera, show front camera, take picture, which is perfect for keeping your hands on the wheel. Let's talk about the app and how this is a Wi-Fi dash cam. You don't have to plug it into your laptop or your computer just to get the footage. You can download it straight on your mobile in the comfort of your own car. The companion app is another huge win. The F17 Elite uses 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6, which is a bit technical. All you need to know is your videos transfer to your phone fast, up to 30 megabytes per second. You just connect your phone to the camera's Wi-Fi and you can now watch a live feed, change settings, or download clips in seconds, not minutes. The built-in GPS also automatically logs your speed and location on every video, which is invaluable if you ever need it for an insurance claim. I definitely love this dashcam, but are there any drawbacks? No product is perfect, so let's talk about a couple of things to keep in mind. While the front and cabin cameras are phenomenal, the 2.5K rear camera, while very good, isn't quite as mind-blowing as the front. The footage is clear and totally usable, but it can look a little dark, especially if you have tinted rear windows. That said, it's still miles better than the rear cameras on a lot of other systems. Another thing is that some competitors are starting to offer cloud connectivity, which the F17 Elite doesn't have. All your footage is saved locally to the microSD card. For most people, this is totally fine, especially with the fast Wi-Fi downloads, but it is something to be aware of. These are pretty minor points though. When you look at everything else you're getting, features like the advanced parking mode, which uses a G sensor and time-lapse recording to protect your car 24/7 with the hardwire kit, just add a ton of value. So let's go back to where we started. Mum's old dashcam gave her a false sense of security. It failed her in the one area she needed it most, at night. The Redtiger F17 Elite isn't just an upgrade, it feels like a whole new category of dashcam. The 4K daytime footage is flawless, the 3-channel system gives you amazing coverage, and the install was shockingly simple. But it's the night vision that truly blew me away. Being able to see license plates, surroundings, and what's happening inside your car. This is the kind of proof that actually protects you. Is it the perfect dashcam? The rear camera could be a bit brighter, and cloud storage would be a nice bonus. But for the price, the combination of video quality, features, and ease of use, in my opinion, unmatched in 2025. If you want to see the difference for yourself and check out the Redtiger F17 Elite, I've put links down in the description below. Using them helps support the channel. What do you think of this night footage? Let me know down in the comments. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.